Hi friends, welcome to my channel Rakhi Reviews. So before starting the video, I would request everyone to please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you find the video useful, so that it motivates me to bring you more such interesting videos like this. So today we are going to review a very interesting educational toy. As you can see, it's written at the top learning kit. This is a abacus. The type is abacus, and it is from Speedage, the brand Speedage. And I purchased this product from First Cry. The actual cost of the product is 280 rupees, but I purchased it at a very good discount of I paid 156 rupees only. So this is a very educational toy and very interesting, and also very economical. You can say it's very less cost as compared to the other products which are available in the market. Similar category, that is abacus category, very costly products are available in the market. So this I would show you the packaging, how it came. So it has come along with this kind of packaging. So here you can see what is written on the package. It's brand Speedage, and this toy helps in learning alphabets, pictures, numbers with fun. Age category is 3+ years and ideal for nursery kids. So this is the branding is like this, and it came as the name of the toy is Junior Learning Abacus from Speedage. You can find this toy in First Cry. So let me unpack and show you the quality and the exact toy. As you can see, it's written here all the alphabets. You can see A, B, C, all the alphabets, and when you turn it around, each alphabet has got a picture along with the name of the picture. So the quality, I would say, is good. Considering the price of 156 rupees, it is very good. And you can see the color combination is also too good and attractive. The plastic is also good. As per the description of the product, it is written it is non-toxic. So this is a good toy for your kids, and this helps in learning your alphabets in a very fun manner. You can see also the kids can turn it and see the picture associated with the alphabet along with the spelling of the picture. You can see it's clear and prominent. It might be small. You can see it is too tiny, not very tiny, but it is definitely tiny, but it is clear. All the pictures are clear. So every picture and alphabet association is there. Here few numbers are also there. As you can see, only 1 to 4 because it's a small toy. And on the sides it's like this, and behind on the back side of the alphabets you can see this beads. So these beads help in counting, addition, subtraction, and also helps in counting one all your numbers and all. So they have given only 3 lines of beads, and these are also colorful beads. As you can see, the beads are clearly visible. I will put my hand here so that you can see these are colored beads. So three sets of beads are there, and on the back side, as you can see, all the alphabets are there. These are blocks. Again, all the blocks are colored. 5 rows of different colored blocks: red, yellow, blue, green and pink. And nevertheless the alphabets are quite big enough for you to see and identify, and pictures are very accurate. prominent with correct spelling. So this helps quick learning for your kids. If you want to look for some abacus which is at a very nominal cost, then I would say this is a very good attractive piece of toy, educational toy rather, and you can go for it at 156 rupees. It is very economical and the product quality is quite good compared to the price. And also you can see this helps in learning three things. One is your alphabets, then word association with the alphabets, spelling of the alphabets, and nevertheless you get the counting part also, because it has got beads on the back side of the toy, and those are also colorful beads. So it is a very fun activity with your kids. If you are looking for such a kind of toy at a nominal price or economical price, then this is the one, you can go for it. And you can purchase it from FirstCry. When there's discount, definitely you should go for such educational toys, because kids literally get bored with toys easily. So you cannot afford many costly toys at a time. This brings you a very economical toy. This Speed Age brand brings you a very economical toy, so you can definitely go for it. So thanks for watching my video, and do hit the like button if you find it useful. Thank you.